May I seek your Lordship indulgence in mentioning item number 10 from the hearing column, Lordship.
Item
Number 10. Item number 10 from the hearing column, Lordship.
criminal appeal.
Yes, Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of the amicus who has some personal difficulties. So if the matter can be taken up after 2 weeks, Lordship, I have taken the consent of the other parties.
You are for the appellant.
Yes, Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of the amicus.
After 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Miss
Laro, pare.
Lana Amicus, query for the appellant. Submits that she has some personal difficulties today and therefore prays for adjournment of the matter for 2 weeks. She has also obtained consent from the land council of the other side. In view of the above, and has prayed for Kama, this matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
For admission, item number 1.
My lord, in item 1 and 2, I was directed to get some information. My lord, if I may be granted another 3 weeks' time, I have not received the full information.
In the meantime, my lord, I have taken steps upon the newly impleaded respondents, and I have filed a dusty affidavit in that regard, my lord. If my lord,
You want to take?
I've taken, my lord.
You have taken.
Yes. By the order dated 22/1/2026, my lord, there are 4 newly impleaded respondents, and one is the government, and 3 others I've taken steps by way of dusty service.
No, sir.
Yes.
Have you filed affidavit to that?
My lord, I filed, my lord.
Okay. Just a minute. Huh? So you're for the state respondent.
State respondent, my lord.
Okay.
You're seeking time, madam, with regard to the direction in para 7 of this order,
Yes, my lord.
23,
23,
126.
126.
Okay.
The
Right.
process is almost complete yet, but not yet complete, so if I may be granted some more time.
Extensive.
Okay. Just a minute. Huh? Okay. Miss.
Linda L. Campbell.
Okay. Lina Farmer, Land Council. Petition AG. For the state respondent. Submits that so your submission is that you have obtained instruction otherwise, but
I
not
have
complete.
Not fully,
Okay,
the full documents which is required to be produced, my lord. I have to
Okay.
file an additional affidavit.
okay. She has received an instruction along with few required documents. However, it's not a fully, she is yet to receive the full documents as sought for in order to enable her to file additional affidavit. And therefore, she prays for, how much time you said?
3 weeks' time, my lord.
For the 2 weeks' times to obtain the complete and full instruction along with the required document, along with the document sought for. Start, huh? Mr.
Sitlan Thiang Thima, my lord. On behalf of A.R. Malhotra,
Land
my
Council.
senior.
Appearing on behalf of A.R. Majumdar,
My
Land
lords,
Council for the petitioner.
Petitioner, man.
Okay.
In WPC 31 of 2020, item 2.
In WPC 31 of 2020.
My lords, in item 2, my lords, I am representing respondent 65, which is the newly impleted party.
Okay. Submits that she has taken steps upon the newly impleted respondent number.
Respondents number 65, 66, and 68.
65, 66, and 68 by way of dusty mode and file affidavit to that effect. And what is your submission?
So, my lords, if the notice may be deemed complete upon the newly impleted respondents.
So whether the course title amended by
I've-
including them,
I've submitted, my lord.
you have submitted?
Yes, my lord.
Has it come on record?
Yes, my lords. It's reflected in the office note also, my lord.
Okay.
Not moderator. It will be SES, Senior Executive Secretary.
And you are for the respondent number?
65, my lords, we'll be filing our Wakalatnama. Only, my lords, one small clarification required is that, my lords, it is the Presbyterian Church of India, Mizoram Synod, represented by, instead of the moderator, the SCS, which is called, my lords, the Senior Executive Secretary, my lords.
Okay.
In the second matter, right? PIL.
Yes, my lords, second item.
Second is with this only? Okay. Mr.
Jordan R, my lords.
Narayan Council would appear on behalf of the newly impleted respondent number 65. 65.
65.
Okay. And prays for some time to file Wakalatnama. Okay. He further submits that. What is the correct address?
My lords, Senior Executive Secretary.
So just a minute, where do we find the 65? The
My lords, if you will see my dusty affidavit,
dusty affidavit.
page 5, yes. I filed it on 12/12.
Page 5.
Page 5 of my affidavit, my lords. Annexure 1. It's there. Respondent
Okay,
number
so-
65, yes.
65. It should be read as?
My lords, instead of moderator, if it could be, my lords, Senior Executive Secretary, my lords.
Okay. Submits that in the address of the respondent, instead of Presbyterian Church of India, Mizoram Synod RV, the moderator, Mission Vang Ajal, it should be read as?
Senior Executive Secretary, my lords.
Okay, then instead of moderator, then senior executive
Secretary.
secretary, Mission Vang Ajal.
Yes.
Okay. However, no one appears on behalf of. Just a minute. 65 appeared, but then. Although notice upon the 66 and 68, upon the respondent number 66 and 68 was received, no one appears on their behalf. Okay.
My lords, if
So
we
who
may-
else?
I just have one more prayer, my lords.
Yes.
If we could file affidavits also to the petition, my lords, to the PIL.
Okay, petition, you have not been served with.
My lords, we've been served, but we have not been given liberty, my lords. This is our first appearance.
Okay, then, to file Wakalatnama as well as affidavit in opposition. Okay,
Deeply obliged.
the prayer is allowed, huh? Okay. Then who else is appearing in here, in this case? Okay, Miss Narayan Council, appear on behalf of the respondent number? 43 in item 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 6 and 7 in item number 1, Miss so-and-so. And in item number 2, 61, for respondent number 61 to 64.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondents number 49 to 53.
Okay, I see the council, Mr. For respondent number 49 to? 50.
My Lord,
53.
I'm
53.
appearing for the petitioners in item number 1, my Lord.
And Mr.?
Lalbiak nungat namte.
Okay, right, then.
And also, my
For
Lord,
respondent number?
petitioners in item number 1 and in item number 2, respondents.
Petitioner in item number 1.
Yes.
Okay, then his name should be in above. Then Mr. So-and-so, and counsel for the petitioner. And
And in item number 2, I'm appearing for the respondent numbers 6, 10, 12.
and respondent number 6.
10, 12,
10,
14, 17, 19, 22 to 24,
Right.
26 to 28, and 44, my Lord.
And
44.
44 in item number 2. Okay. In view of the above, and as prayed for by the Land Council for the respondent. For the 2 weeks time, you said?
3 weeks, my lord. 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
If
3 weeks. 3 weeks time is granted to enable the council to file additional affidavit, stroke, affidavit in opposition. Okay, stop. Stop. And is agreed upon by the parties that this matter be listed on. Date need to be fixed. We need to fix date.
I think it will be convenient, my lord. Because it will be better if we fix a date, my lord.
Yes. So it will be
29,
20? 24, okay.
24 is Friday.
24 is Friday, my lord. 22nd, my lord.
24 or Friday?
22nd April.
22nd, okay. 22nd.
April.
No. Not in March. 24 March.
We're just starting March, sorry.
8th of
24.
April, my lord.
Hmm?
8th of April, my lord.
8th of April.
Yes.
So that will be
In March,
today is? No, it will be 24 March. 24 March.
Oh,
25th of March, my lord. I think it
20?
5th.
Okay for you.
Okay, 25th.
25th of March.
Item number 3.
My lord, I'm counsel for the petitioner. Am I audible, Your Lordship?
Appearing online.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm audible. I'm appearing VC.
Yes. You're audible.
I'm counsel for the petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, if allow me, before learned government advocate makes submission, I have 2 submissions as of today, Lordship. My Lord, now
Just a minute.
Yes. You are for the petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your submission? Just a minute. Huh?
My submission as of today, I have 2 submissions. One is that the state government is not taking seriously this the court orders, the previous court order, the last orders also, because now rainy season coming very soon. It's coming on May, June. How could they complete this repairing constructions of the road? This is the most important road in Mizoram, connecting the second capital from Aizawl to the second capital, and also the next capital also, all the southern parts of Mizoram. So now they have not done, the work satisfactorily. The public started complaining on social media, on YouTube,
Okay.
and Facebook, because they will not complete at all, Your Lordship. Very important. They have sanction. They say that we have, administrative sanction, but nothing was done on paper. It seems it was okay, but reality there was no work executed satisfactorily at all. That is one it will not be completed before rainy season is my submission. So effective order may kindly be passed. That is one my submission. And if you kindly see the last order and the last two order also, Lordship, I'll take you to the last two order also.
Yes, state was directed to inform.
Yes, even they have not done, they are waiting for the tender administrative approval such and such. So they have not done. If you kindly see the last order also, this regarding 8 crore, and my lord, and my second submission. My second submission in the last court date, they submitted that administrative approval of 58 crore was, they are getting that administrative approval. That administrative approval, 58 crore, it was diversions of the funds allotted to this ATL road. If you kindly see my latest affidavit at page number 30, if you kindly see, Lordship, my last affidavit, I would like to take you to my last affidavit.
Additional affidavit.
No, additional affidavit, yes. The last affidavit, additional affidavit which I filed. At page number 30 with
Your affidavit.
my affidavit, additional affidavit, which I filed as direction by this
Affidavit by the
honorable
petitioner.
court. Yes,
Page 30.
30, it starts from 30. Yes, Lordship, are you there?
Yes.
Additional
Yes,
affidavit.
this is the report, a report by Assembly Committee. So a relevant part is at page number 30. It starts from 30, 3.9 para.
Yes.
Yes, allow me to read the Lordship, please.
Yes, please.
The committee concluded its discussion by addressing a long-standing case involving ATL Road. This is the dispute hearing, ATL Road, which dated back to 2000. This case pertained to a joint ventures between BEL and Ashoka Builder Limited and their contract with the PWD for road construction using World Bank funds. Due to slow progress and violations of the contract terms, PWD terminated the ventures contract on 15 June 2005. Following the termination, a security deposit held in Kodi Bank and an unpaid advantage totaling 22.88 crore were claimed by PWD. The dispute was subsequently litigated across Dispute Resolution Board, Aizawl District Court, and the Guwahati High Court, with PWD ultimately prevailing in the case. The performance guarantee submitted by BL was placed in a fixed deposit by PWD, and over the years, the principal amount occurred to over 90 crore by 2024 as a part of an agreement between BEL and PWD in July 2019. A joint auction was conducted for the aggregated fund. The proceeds from these auctions were also placed in a fixed deposit with a principal amount reaching 1.28 crore. This sum is expected to mature in the first week of December 2024. The committee then questioned the department about the current status and intended utilizations of these funds, and the department confirmed that the details and acknowledged that there was no specific unmarked proposal for utilizations of the funds.
Yes, Learning Council, but the state was directed to inform this court.
Yes.
When the
My
process
lord,
rehabilitation
but
is
this is the
continued.
last, the last part is
Yeah, just a
important.
minute,
Also, I would
just a minute, okay. So after
I just
that only this order was
complete-
passed. After that only this order was passed.
My lord, no, because after that only 58 crore was sanctioned. What's about the rest? Because that fixed deposit, matured deposit was 90 crore. The remaining they are using for constructions of Aizawl, renovations of Aizawl roads. Because even MZP Student Association, they protested in Mizoram, in Lunglei. So they use this fund, the remaining fund, for now Mizoram Aizawl Municipal Council election is coming up. And they try to get, canvass the people. They use that money for, renovation.
Let us hear from the state what they have done.
Your Lordship, I
Yes.
have provided my instructions. With Your Lordship permission, I can put this in the affidavit.
Would this fund be sufficient? Would it suffice?
Your Lordship, as per the survey that was conducted, a new fresh for restructuring, it was done. So as per the DPR, this is sufficient.
My lord, these funds should not be diverted at all costs because, the works cannot be diverted at any cost. How can the court allow?
There was an
diversion?
order also not to divert.
Yes.
Structuring. and improvement of the state. So this figure has come only after preparation of the DPR.
Yes, Your Lordship. This is as of to date, we are waiting for the expenditure sanction from the concerned department, and work will be executed soon.
But still, it will be executed. But now rainy season started coming.
Your
And what
Lordship,
about the remaining?
with all due
mature
respect to my
amount?
learned friend, we are not an expert. My learned friend is not expert. This court is not an expert. My learned friend is speaking as if he's the #1 expert in India so as to the road construction.
No. I am expert in examining my case, checking that whether they diverted the funds or not. What's about 90 crore? Why they are giving me only 58 crore? I'm expert in this respect. I know very well. I have gone through the reports of Assembly Committee and now the sanction, administrative function recently.
What remains to be done now, ma'am?
What remains to be done is
You can
that
put
once
this in
we
affidavit.
acquire,
Of
once
course,
we,
Of
yes,
course, you can put this in affidavit.
Yes.
That's okay.
once we get the expenditure sanction, then the tender will be floated and then the work will be executed.
Okay. The governor of
Same,
Mizoram is-
same story
Yes,
again.
yes.
expenditure sanction has been given already. Is it?
Yeah, its expenditure sanction is awaited from the government and will initiate
that
this
way they are not
necessary
serious
step.
at all.
The last
Sanction of which
paragraph.
amount? This, both.
Yes, on both.
Both in the sense?
What about this document, second one?
What is the second document?
27.
Governor of Mizoram.
23, 25 February. This second document is dated 23 February.
23rd February, and after
23rd.
this, they have sent me this letter on 25th February 2026.
Okay.
Yes, please to accord expenditure sanction.
23. So it says the governor pleased to accord expenditure sanction.
Yes, it with regards to 23 crore, but then the whole figure amount in the first page is 35.31 crore.
35.
Yes,
But this is awaited.
yes. So it's coming from different head. This is coming from Saski scheme. So from under different head, it's awaited.
So out of the 23.68 crores, which you think would be sufficient for this?
It's the
important
total
project?
amount which will be sufficient would be, as per the record, it's 35.31
35
crore
crores. So out of that, 23.68 has been sanctioned.
sanctioned.
Now the remaining part, out of the 35?
Yes, we are
Remains to
awaiting.
be, you are awaiting that?
Yes.
Once that is sanctioned, the work can be executed.
The work can be executed. Yes.
Of course, we all agree, it's a very important road.
It's
You know,
important, yes.
The seasons will do their own work, the rains have started already a little bit. It's good, so the sooner it is executed, the better for the state. So that's,
So this 23 is for this purpose, and this 35 is for?
35 is for the whole stretch of road.
Very less.
This is for the strengthening, improvement and upgradation of the ATL road.
This part of the road. When do you expect that, will it be, it may not be, is it possible for you to say?
As of now, I cannot, Your Lordship.
Okay, but we can make an observation, perhaps.
Yes, yes, you can make observation in that regard.
It can be processed.
Expeditious direction also can be.
Okay, the tender will be floated only after this expenditure sanction is granted for this 35
Yes, yes.
remaining. So total would be,
35.31
to-
crore.
total is 35,
35.31, yes.
including this 23.68, or what?
That 23.68 is with regard to upgradation.
Okay.
Upgradation. Now, we are talking about strengthening and improvement of the state highways. So the history of the road is that it was constructed by Bhavya Constructions, that is made as respondent number 5 in the instant PIL. Now, Bhavya Construction do not appear before this honorable court in spite of the attempt made by this honorable court with the help of the superintendent of police in jurisdiction also. And so they forfeit the amount, and then they have made it for repairing. They have used it and utilized it for repairing work. But then the road construction was so bad, that it was badly constructed, that now the whole process was restarted for strengthening and improvement of the road. So it was assessed again, and then now it will be constructed again.
So now this is the government who is doing this, and then what about the respondent number 5 now?
Number 5 is silent.
Whether government is taking any steps against?
Yes, they forfeit his deposit. That's it. In fact, this honorable court has passed several orders so as to bring the respondent number 5 in person also before this honorable court, but is in vain.
Who's respondent number 5?
Bhavya Constructions.
You say,
No,
they are not appearing, you say?
They are not appearing, and they are not a resident of Mizoram. So.
Outside Bombay?
We even took the help of the jurisdictional superintendent of police,
Yes,
but
you
it
told
is in vain.
My lord,
Whether the money was really, entire money was released, bill was released to respondent number 5?
Your Lordship, the case of the
Because
respondent number 5.
he didn't do,
He constructed the road.
constructed the
badly.
road, but then there was a complaint.
Yes, there was a complaint, and during the contract period, even
Yes.
during the contract period, he did not maintain the road. So
this is liability period.
yes,
So my query is, our query is whether the government is taking any steps against this respondent number 5.
yes, forfeiture
There
of
was an
his
observation,
deposit amount.
including filing FIR against him if he has done.
FIR, they do not go to that length, but then they forfeited the deposit amount. We have dealt with that issue before. This PIL has been pending for a very long time now, since 2022. And then that aspect is already dealt with by this honorable court, and the same question was asked by this honorable court, coordinator bench of this honorable court. But then the state do not go to the limit of filing FIR against the respondent number 5.
He's-
However, they go.
See, despite of calling for so many occasions for his appearance, and then despite of making an observation against the government, against him, now the government is not taking any steps against respondent number 5, and then instead, the government probably is taking steps for,
Restructuring.
Yes.
Or improvement.
so how do we come into conclusion again, regarding respondent number 5? His appearance no longer required now. The government is not pursuing against him
Yeah,
now.
Your Lordship, as far as I can understand,
Forfeiture.
they have already forfeited the deposit amount. That
Okay,
is,
utilized also?
yes. So that much as a penalty. So that much, we go to that extent,
That extent only.
Okay.
not the FIR and stuff.
But if he comes personally, that could help, right? But it has been difficult to get him here.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
My lord, allow me just to make my submission again.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, yeah, that 90 crore, which earlier sanctioned, that security deposit became mature. So it matures in the month of 24th December. So that money, that mature money, it should be used for utilizations of this road, this ATL road. This is my point. So where should it go? This specifically sanctioned as per report of Assembly Committee, as I have just read at page number 30 and 31, the conclusion part, it should not be diverted. This has to be clarified. And also in the last occasion, administrative approval was sanctioned, rupees amounting 58 crore. It cannot be used, that 58 crore still now. That's 2 point.
Mr.
Jesse Lalan.
Okay, Land Council for J.C. Lalan Sangha, Land Council for the petitioner. Mrs. Mary L. Kante, Land Government Advocate, for the respondent number 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7. He's also present. Huh? By an order dated 16/2/2026, this court required the state respondent to inform as to when the process of rehabilitation and strengthening of Aijol, Thenjau, Lunglei Road would begin. Start. But in response, in compliance of the said direction, Mrs. Kante, Land Government Advocate, submits that by an order dated 23/2/2026, the government has accorded expenditure sanction of rupees 23, 68,000,000, 23 crore 68 lakhs for the work improvement and upgradation of Aijol, Thenjau, Lunglei Road under SASCI 2025-26 Part 1. And this 35 is for,
This,
and
the 5 is for strengthening and improvement. of-
okay, this is another, apart from this 23. Okay, and in respect of amount of rupees 35.31 crore, the department is awaiting expenditure sanction from the government and will initiate necessary steps to execute the rehabilitation and strengthening of Aijol, Thenjau, Lunglei Road. Stuff. She placed before this court the order dated 23/2/2026 and forwarding letter dated 25/2/2026 and prays that this she may be allowed to bring this on record by filing additional affidavit. Stop, huh? So, according to him, the Land Council for the petitioner, it's not sufficient. So, what is your submission?
Your Lordship, that, as I already submitted,
Okay,
there are technical experts
okay,
who have made the assessment.
okay.
Now, I am not the expert. I cannot say
Okay.
that this is not sufficient. In fact, I do not know how to lay one brick also.
Okay.
So, I'm just trusting the expert
They have said
assessment.
it's sufficient. They have
Yes,
said it's
yes.
sufficient.
Okay, Land
This is
Council
as
for
per
the,
the DPR.
Land
The
Council
submission
for
is
the
90
petitioner
crore
submits
is
that
diverted.
the above amount is not sufficient
And 90 crore is diverted.
for it's not sufficient for what? Improvement, upgradation, or for, and for strengthening, according to you?
According to me, 90 crore, that mature amount was not utilized.
90 crore, that mature amount is
Was
lying
not
with the government.
utilized.
Is lying with the government.
Yes, was lying with the government. It was diverted for constructions of Aizawl Road within the Aizawl city. And 35 is not sufficient.
There was some direction not to divert.
Your Lordship,
Yeah.
time and again, my learned friend have been submitting the same thing
It is
in
there,
the
the last
in the
affidavit I filed.
in the last court also. My learned friend have submitted the same thing before this honorable court, and I quote what the CJ have said. We are not to see every nooks and corners and to see diversion. We have to see only the strengthening of the road.
No, my lord,
Okay.
that is not correct. That is not.
sufficient, huh?
We can look back the video also, Your Lordship.
It is not true. My lord, it is there in the my last affidavit. What's about 90 crore diversions of 90
Improvement
crore?
and upgradation of Aizawl, Thanjau, Longli Road, and improvement and rehabilitation and strengthening of Aizawl, improvement, huh? Both connected, huh? Improvement and upgradation, stroke rehabilitation and strengthening of Aizawl, Thanjau, Lunglei Road. However, Ms. Yangte, Land Council, the government advocate submits that this has been prepared. The amount has come after the preparation of the DPR, and this amount will be sufficient for the aforesaid work. And in the earlier, you just, after sanctioning the, in earlier para, after sanctioning the only after sanctioning, you'll float tender.
Yes, Your
The
Lordship.
tender will be floated and for execution of the work, huh? In the above case, okay, so in view of the above, and as prayed for by the land government advocate, how much time you have to file it in affidavit form?
1 week, Your Lordship.
1 week time is granted to bring, the file affidavit to bring on record the communication. Okay. So it will be listed.
The same, that 24th March, because another PIL was filed just one matter before us, on 24th March, I think, that it can be listed together when DB is going to be seated on this one.
Will get listed on 16 or 17?
Yes, Your Lordship, any day.
It's fine, lot
16?
16 of March.
Okay. List is matter on 16. Okay.
My lord, today copies that, can we have the copy that the communications?
A copy
That
be furnished.
23rd March, yes.
Okay.
Your Lordship, it will be in the affidavit.
Okay, then fine. They are going to, if they're going to incorporate in the affidavit, I don't need it.
Okay.
Give me a-
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4. My lords, I appear for the petitioner. Here, my lords, we're challenging the rules to an act which proposes, my lords, the promotional qualifications of a particular post, my lords.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we have filed our affidavit on 25th February. And I believe that the pleading is completed because the learned
My lords, it's
counsel for the
completed and it
petitioner
will be
did
heard,
not
my lords. It's a very simple, clear-cut case, my lords.
mention whether he is going to have counter affidavit or not. So actually today we are waiting that whether he is going to have a counter affidavit or not. So if he is not going to have that counter affidavit, the pleading is complete. So if the matter may be listed for hearing on 18 March, Your Lordship, that is my humble submission.
My lords, I don't see any impediment unless your lordships is
Then in that case,
inconvenient.
we'll admit and fix it for hearing.
My lords, I was hoping your lordships will hear it today, but my lords, if I may propose
It
a date.
probably will take time. The virus has been challenged.
My lords. If I may just propose a date then, my lords.
Virus of the rules.
And
Your Lordship, the learned senior counsel, who is the respondent counsel as well, for the respondent number 7, we discussed it, and if the matter may be fixed for hearing on 18/3.
For hearing.
My lords, I'm inconvenient on that date. I'm before the principal bench.
Then you have to adjust.
If your lordships may have it on 25th.
Take your feedback, sir.
Okay. Okay. Hard, Mr.
Jordan R. my lords.
Jordan. Ramin Tanga, Land Council for the petitioner. Also hard, Miss. One, Yami. J. Malsom Jala. For Land Council for the?
State government, Your Lordship,
Okay. Land
2, 3, 4, and 6.
Government advocate.
Yes, Your
For
Lordship.
the respondent number 2, 3,
4
4,
and 6.
2, 3, 4, and 6. And,
Stephen Wilbotson, correspondent number 7.
and you're 4? Okay, Miss? Daphne Larva Talangi. Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr. J.C. Lal Nungsanga, Land Council for the respondent number 5, and Mr.
Stephen Wilbotson, correspondent.
C. Okay, Land Council for the respondent number 7. Okay, stop. The petitioner challenged the validity of recruitment rule.
My lords, the order dated 16 July, my lords, as
Okay.
recorded.
The challenge, the Mizoram Urban Development and Poverty Alleviation Department Group A Post Recruitment Rule 2024. Relating to the post of
Chief
Chief
Town and Country Planner.
Chief
Town and Country Planner.
Town and Country
Planner.
Planner. On the ground that the above contrary to the
Act.
Mizoram Urban and Regional Development Act 1990.
Yes.
Okay. Contrary. Okay. And is in violation of fundamental right under Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Okay, stop. Since the important question a question regarding the consistencies of recruitment rule 2024. With the Parent Act of 1990 arises for consideration. The writ petition is admitted. Okay. List is matter for. And since the pleadings are complete, the pleadings are complete. According the list is matter for hearing on
25th March, my lords.
25th March.
25th March.
Okay. For hearing. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 5.
My lord, this writ appeal is for challenging the judgment and order dated 13/8/2024, passed by a single judge in WPC 96 of 2022. My lord, the judgment and order is at Roman page number 1. It started from Roman page number 1. Then the relevant portion is at
Page number?
Roman number, page number 1.
Page number
1.
1.
Yes, my lord. That is 35 true copy of the judgment and order.
Okay.
The impugned judgment and order. My lord, the relevant portion is at page 14.
14.
My lord, herein regarding the family pension, the lower court, the land single judge allowed the second wife family pension. In the meantime, the same has been in violation of Rule 21 CCS conduct rules, as well as Section 17 of Hindu Marriage Act. Then the same has been punishable. It's clear violation of the rules and acts, my lord. That is why we are challenging. The case is very simple. The landed lower court allowed the second wife for granting family pension, my lord. That is the main reason. Then the landed lower court allowed based on the form submitted by the deceased, that is Dal Bahadur. His second employee. In the first employment, he is a rifleman, Assam Rifle.
The trial court allowed?
No, land single judge allowed second
single
wife.
judge.
Second wife.
Okay.
That is why we are challenging.
What is this order 18/2/2021?
18/2/20.
Annex 12, which was set aside.
Yes, my lord. Herein, the Doordarshan Kendra allowed the
Have
first
you
wife.
annexed the copy?
My lord,
18/2/2021.
unfortunately, that was not enclosed in this WA, my lord.
18/2/2021
Yes.
is not here.
Yes, my lord. I apologize for the same. We are forgetting to enclose the entire document. Even we enclose affidavit, however, excluding that enclosure, my lord. Then in that letter, the Doordarshan Kendra allowed the first wife and the eligible the issue, one of the issue of the second wife, 50/50 of the family pension.
That has been set aside.
Yes, that is set aside by the land single judge.
Okay, so the single judge says directed to grant the dispersed and a family pension. So entire family pension is to be granted to the respondent,
Petitioner or the present respondent number
present
one.
respondent,
Yes, my lord.
not the division of, not the division,
Yes, my lord.
50/50.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, But the first wife is getting pension from the
From the
earlier
Assam Rifle.
Assam Rifle.
Yes. My lord, this, in his service book also, the family declaration has been clearly mentioned at page number 64, my lord. Page number 64.
Yes. What is this?
That is a family declaration of Dal Bahadur, the deceased. Here, her wife, legally wedded wife is Badri Kala.
So the department wants to pay the legally wedded wife.
And divided 50% and to thus second wife children, 50-50.
Children
So-
would be entitled.
Children of the present respondent.
Okay, department want this,
Second
this should
wife
be, there
children.
should be a division.
Yes, my lord. The same has been challenged by the present respondent in before the landed single court. However, the single
Whether the first wife has challenged or contested the case?
my lord, we even
My lord,
No.
if I may intervene, the second wife the first wife was impleaded as one of the respondent in
Yes,
the
whether
petition,
she contested?
and service of notice has been done to the, by way of publication of, in the newspaper, my lord.
Okay.
In the Shillong, and she did not contest the writ
Okay.
petition. Then now in the present writ appeal also, she is not represented till date.
Okay, so the respondent, the first wife, if she is not contesting,
yes, my lord.
she has not expressed that she has an objection. What is the difficulties? What
My
is
lord,
your
because,
interest?
the second wife is not entitled as per the rules and act. I have a Supreme
Subse-
Court.
But
my lord,
subsequently, probably she got married with the
My
deceased.
lord,
not during dependency of his marriage, my lord.
the whereabout of the first wife is not known by the instant appellant themselves. They tried to contact her, but they could not contact her. But they are
Whether
still
the,
trying
just a
to
minute,
give
whether
her
the first wife came
50%.
before the department?
My lord, as per the affidavit filed by Assam Rifle, she received family pension till 2022 also. That is the last record.
He must have passed away, my lord.
Thereafter?
My lord, thereafter, as on date of I received instruction, my lord, he received till 2022.
22. After that,
After
the
that-
pension is not being paid to anyone.
I don't know, my
No
lord.
legal heir also came.
As on my instruction, as on the date when I received instruction, we just stated that one. However, later on, I was not directed to obtain instruction. Anyway, my lord, I have citation from Supreme Court that
No,
was
no, just-
decided
just-
in this year.
Just in fact, sir,
The second one is
if
not
the
entitled.
first wife is no longer coming and she has not yet not come to before the authority also to receive the pension after 2022, then even if she is granted also, whom would be paid?
My lord, it may be eligible by the disabled person from the second wife of.
No, who is? No one came after 2022?
Now, here, the respondent number. As per my opinion only, my lord. Respondent, the present respondent number. Respondent
My lord,
number 2.
The respondent number 4 is the first wife. In the present appeal, respondent number 4.
The most important question is whether the second marriage was contracted during the subsistence of the first marriage, right?
My
One
lord,
of the important questions. The second marriage was contracted when the first marriage was still subsisting. Isn't it?
My lord,
my lord, as per
even
the.
though there has been no legal divorce certificate, the deceased Dal Bahadur came to Mizoram and got married with the present respondent number 1. And after joining the service, at the time of joining his service in the Doordarshan Kendra, he has submitted his wife, who is the respondent number 1, and his children, respondent number 2 and 3, as his family members. And they have been nominated to receive DCRG. And in Form 3, their names were written, and the same were accepted by the Doordarshan authority. So they are the only person to get the family pension, and the other retirement benefits.
So what we'll do is we'll take a full hearing. Okay, we'll admit?
It has been admitted in the last court.
I don't think so. Where? By which order?
In the last court order, my lord.
Yes.
IA has been allowed on 21, 2026, my lord.
26.
For
Only
donation.
IA was allowed.
Yes, my lord.
Not yet
Delayed
admitted,
condemnation.
probably. No, not yet, I think. Tomorrow is list 4. No, not yet admitted. IA was only allowed.
Yes, my lord.
Since, okay.
In the maid
You are
appeal,
representing respondent, all the respondent.
1 to 3, my lord.
1, 2, 3. And then the 4 is the first wife.
The
First
wife.
wife, yes, my lord.
Notice has not been,
Okay, notice not yet.
No formal notice has been issued in the writ petition. However, in IA,
no notice has been issued to the respondent number 4 in the appeal.
no,
in the
I
writ
mean,
appeal.
The
in
appeal
this
notice
writ
was not
appeal-
yet issued.
Yes, my lord, let notice be issued.
Okay, then only notice will be issued. Hard miss.
Zairem Sangpui, Central Government Council.
Okay, then it's Central Government Council for the petitioner. Also had Mr.
Nachalli na kyang te.
Acharya. Then council appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1,
Yes, my lord, 1, 2, 3.
Stop. Para. This writ appeal is directed against impugned judgment and order dated 13/8/2022, passed by the land single judge of land single judge in WPC number 96 of 2022. Whereby the impugned decision is conveyed by letter dated 18/2/2021 has been set aside and directed the respondent stroke appellant hearing to disperse the family pension and DCRG to the petitioner within 3 months, within the outer limit of 3 months, from the date of receipt of the certified copy. Start from par, issue notice. Since Mr. So-and-so appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondent. However, the petitioner shall take steps, appellant shall take steps upon the respondent number 4 by a speed post as well as by usual process within a week from today.
Yes, my lord.
Start. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 6.
May I please, Your Lordship?
This is the earlier petition. different, huh?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I am appealing for the appellants on behalf of my senior Mr. S.K. Mehdi CGC. Steps has been taken through speed post upon the private respondents.
Private respondent number?
1 to 7.
You are for 1 to 7.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
All are represented, right?
All are represented, that means? What about? You are for?
8 and 9 responding.
State respondents.
Lordship, matter may be fixed for hearing, if possible, in the last week of April.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
K.K. Medhi on behalf of Mr. S.K. Medhi CGC.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. S.K. Medhi, Learned Counsel for the appellant. Also heard, Miss.
Ruth Dalrat Feli.
Ruth Lalrat Feli, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of on behalf of respondent number 1 to 7, and Miss
Linda.
Oh, Linda. Learned Counsel for Government Advocate for Additional AG for the state respondent number 8 and 9. Stop, huh? Since the parties are duly represented, the matter will be listed for hearing. When? After 3 weeks?
Lordship, if possible, last week of April. Lordship.
You want date? Okay, 29 April. Okay.
Deeply obliged. Lordship, interim order passed earlier may be continued.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Item number 7.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Steps has been taken upon private respondents to by way of paper publication in the 2 newspapers, Banglaini and the Mizoram Post. Affidavit has been filed on 23rd of February.
Linda Formal, you are for? Here?
I'm for the appellant.
These steps was taken in respect of respondent number?
4 to 11.
4 to 11.
Yes.
Anyone appears?
None appears for the today.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so again, huh? Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. S.K. Medhi. You are for Medhi, on behalf of Mr.
Yes, yes.
S.K. Medhi, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Start, huh? So what do we do? Since no one is appearing on behalf of the respondent? What is the, how much delay, delay of how many days?
1,523 days.
Oh, that's quite a lot. So, Miss Linda, you have objection?
My lord, I don't have any objection. It's with the private parties. So.
Okay, so, but then private parties are not appearing, what to do?
Yes. I think, my lord, we can wait till the next court date. Maybe they'll appear by the time.
Wait for some time, no, okay. Who submit, Learned Counsel, who submits that he has taken steps upon the respondent number 1, 2. Sorry. 4 to, the private respondents are respondent number 4 to 11.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
4
yes,
4
Lord.
to 11. By way of paper publication. However, no one appears on behalf of the respondents. Okay. Miss Linda Farmer, Lanet Additional AG, is present on behalf of the state respondent number 1, 2, 3. Stop. Huh? When the paper publication was done, when it was done?
9th,
Okay, they are from this,
4th of February, paper publication was
Okay,
done.
okay.
And we have filed affidavit on 23rd of February.
okay, since the respondents are unrepresented for interest of justice, let this matter be listed again on after 3 weeks, okay?
Lordship, if possible, 23rd of March.
Okay. And as prayed for by the Land Council for the petitioner, list this matter on 23rd March, okay?
Deeply obliged.
Item number 8.
Lordship, as per Order 3/12/2025, I have submitted my additional affidavit with regards to the employment of 8 contractors. This PIL is with regards to prison infrastructure. 8 contractors who are contracting the central jail and other 7 other district jails, Lordship.
So, respondent, you have any objection? Sure.
No, my lord.
Okay. So pass it again. Okay. Hard miss?
Rosalind Elmar.
Rosalind L. Mar. Land Council for the applicant. You're for writ petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Applicant writ petitioner. Straba. This is an application filed under Order 1, Rule 10, within bracket 2, read with Order 1, Rule 8A, CPC, seeking implement of the name mentioned in para 2. The respondent number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. In the writ petition number, what is the writ petition number?
3 of 2022.
Okay, 3 of 2022. Stop. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that all of them are contractor.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. The above name mentioned are contractors who play a key role in executing the renovation and construction project of the different jails in Mizoram by carrying out construction work as per approved design, drawing, and specifications. They are responsible for turning the project plans into reality, and therefore their implement is necessary. The respondent has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer for implement is allowed. Let the name mentioned in para 2 be implemented at respondent number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. With the above this, IA stands allowed and disposed of. And in the writ petition,
Obliged, Lordship.
Just a minute, in the writ petition, then you have to amend your
Yes, Lordship.
And in the mean, my lord, I may be granted another 3 weeks' time, my lord, to
Okay.
file additional affidavit.
Okay, heard, Miss. Same, huh? Rosalind. What was? Rosalind L. Mar, Land Council for the petition, huh? Stop. In view of the order passed today in IA number 39, 2026, the following name, the following persons are being included. Age, write the name, huh? It's here in para 2, huh? Age, respondent number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Stop, huh? The petitioner shall amend the course title by inserting the name of the newly implemented respondent number so and so. Okay, stop. And after that, you need to take steps upon this newly implemented.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So then, let it be listed first. After amendment,
Yes,
you file
Lordship.
amendment course title first.
Yes,
Then you
Lordship.
will issue notice to the newly implemented person, or what? You'll take a step.
I can take this step, Lordship.
Okay. Then the registry shall do the needful for. Okay. The file amendment course title within
2 days, Lordship.
within 2 days, and the registry shall do the needful, huh? In this regard. Stop. Huh? After amendment of the course title, the petitioner is allowed to take steps upon the newly implemented respondent by speed post with AD, as well as by usual process within.
It can be done through Dusty also, Lordship. They are within ISOL. Some of them.
Okay. Now, first you take steps by way of speed
Both,
post, okay,
Lordship.
both,
Yes. Yes, Lordship.
within another week thereafter. Huh? Stop. Huh? Miss Linda Lanet, additional AG for the state, also praised for
3 weeks' time, my
further
lord.
3 weeks' time to file affidavit, no opposition,
Additional affidavit.
additional affidavit. And you are for? Okay, Miss, hmm? Okay. Yeah. CJC. Jairam Sampui. Yes. CJC. Correspondent number 7 is also present and stuff. In view of the above, and as prayed for by the Lana Council for the parties, list this matter again after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
For hearing, item number 9.
You are alone?
Actually, I think the counsel for the petitioner is on leg, my lord, on in the other.
Oh,
court.
so
I think it's.
you are for?
I'm for the respondent, my lord.
Respondent.
Respondent bank.
And for the petitioner is
Yes.
on leg.
Yes. Oh, she has just come.
Okay, we are waiting for you.
But now, my lord, I'd like to pray lordship's kind indulgence for having this matter, my lord, in some other day, my lord. I have some personal difficulty today, my lord.
Okay.
So if it may
So,
be taken up after.
You take a
10
breath comfortably. Take rest.
Sorry, Lord.
For future. No problem.
I
No problem.
apologize.
No problem. Just wait. Huh? Take a long breath.
Mhm.
You'll feel comfortable. So, but he, Lana Counsel for the respondent is seeking adjournment.
Yes.
Do you have any objection?
I have no objection, Lordship, but this matter has been pending for quite some time, Lordship, but
It
this
appears.
matter-
It appears.
Yes, yes.
Since when? 25 only.
2025, yes. It's a year now.
Right.
Lordship.
Right.
And the issue involved herein in this petition is quite small. So
Yes.
if this matter can be taken up in maybe next week,
Next week.
yes.
So
Yeah,
next week,
that too.
is it okay for you?
My lord, next week.
Or we can take up on Thursday also.
After a week, my lord, because now.
We'll take this matter next week only. Next week,
Next
Tuesday, any day. Your convenience.
Next week, my lord, I'll be out of station. Sorry, my lord. That's right.
Entire week.
Week after next week, my lord.
This week, if you are available, then we can take it. Take this matter on Friday also.
No, my lord, I think this week, I think I won't be.
What is this matter about? By the way,
Lordship, in this revision petition, we have referred this revision petition.
challenging whose
We are
order?
challenging the impugned order dated 29/2024.
By which?
Uh,
What order was passed?
In this judgment and order, Lordship, specifically paragraph number 48, we are mainly aggrieved with this paragraph.
What is that?
That the seized article are made absolute as directed. The accused herein are all acquitted of the charge.
Okay.
And however, the seized...
When it was after acquittal, it was made absolute.
Yes, it was
Why?
made absolute. Lordship, during
After
the,
acquittal?
Yes, after acquittal. So we are...
Is it possible if the person is
Lordship,
acquitted
during
from
the
the
course
case-
of the investigation,
Hmm?
during the course of the investigation, some amount was seized from the petitioner herein, and that amount was already kept in the custody of the respondent number 1, that is the bank. They are the
Respondent number one
complainant.
is- Respondent number 1 is?
Is the bank, the respondent bank.
Mizoram Rural Bank.
Mizoram Rural Bank.
Okay.
They are the complainant in the trial court. So they have already taken it out by filing an application.
But then if the person is acquitted,
Yes.
it will be difficult.
Actually, my lord, the thing is
So
now,
if there is no case at all,
this is a misappropriation of money from the bank, my lord. The petitioner earlier was my employee, my lord. He was
maybe, but then
branch manager.
they are acquitted.
And then
How many accused are?
The 3 accused, but herein only 1 petitioner.
Only 1 petitioner.
Yes.
There are, my lord.
So seized from
disciplinary
Seized from the petitioner herein only.
petitioner.
Yes.
So what is the amount involved?
The amount involved is rupees 73 lakhs, something like
73
that.
lakhs.
Yes. On 3 occasions it was
And it-
seized.
Yes. And then it was given on Jimma too?
Yeah, it was given out on Zima.
To whom?
To the complainant, the
why-
respondent.
why
They
the
have
money
filed an
belongs-
application saying that it's their
Money belonged to him.
Yes.
Money belonged to
But
him
however,
and
that
Papa-
was not challenged at that point of time. But since after acquittal
on what basis
only,
you apply for Jimma?
Zima, it was
Because the money
his-
belonged to him.
No, my lord. The money was belonging to the bank, my lord. They misappropriated, and the bank accordingly drawn disciplinary proceeding, my lord, service matter on the civil side, my lord. And then he was found guilty, my lord. And then he was dismissed from service, lord. And apart from that, apart from dismissing, that amount of 73 lakhs, my lord, was recovered by the bank for to make
Okay,
good the
so
losses.
according to you, this money belongs to
The bank, my lord.
Okay. Then, okay, need hearing probably.
Yes, probably.
Little bit hearing.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Some amount of hearing will be required.
Okay,
my lord.
Mr.
Sizoram Sonelot.
Learning Council for the respondent number.
Number one, my lord.
There's only one respondent.
There's two, state is also
the
included, but
respondent
however,
number
that,
Sami said he has some personal difficulties today and therefore pray for adjournment of the matter for a week. So, Miss
H. Lilmal Swami.
Lanik, I need to acclimatize with the name and pronunciation.
It's quite difficult, Lordship.
Miss
H. Lilmal Swami.
Lalma Swami, okay. Lanik Council for the petitioner has shown some urgency. However, considering that the Lanik Council for the respondent has some difficulties today, the matter is can adjourn. List this matter after a week.
After a week.
After a week.
My lord.
Okay. After a week means it will be next week you are going out.
Next month.
Next to
Then then can we fix a date then? Thereafter?
18, my lord.
18, okay. Then as
18.
as requested by both the Lana Council for the parties, list this matter. No, as requested by the Lana Council for the respondent, list this matter again on 18. Okay.
Obliged.